Tirumandagundi temple. Okay. Actually, I wanted to come. Actually, I was not. I thought you will go today only, but you went today, yesterday morning, night itself. Na? See, there are many things. These fellows, na? These lobbies, only many lobbies are playing. Actually, first you need to understand that one thing. Whatever this is the truth. See, that light is not there. See, in front of the Bhagavan, I am telling the truth. Huh? Whatever the thing, whatever the alliances, or whatever the things these fellows are projecting, that is not going to success, because the fundamental aim is, see, anyway, everything, whatever the thing you people are arranging, these fellows will project offers and to create attraction, that thing. At the final time, these fellows only will yield to BJP's thing, and the Congress leaders only will make you as a fool. That is what happening everything. There are fundamental reasons for their frustrations. Actually, see, yesterday also Priyanka Ji, I know that after going to before there, and how was your message, after going there, what happened? See, the Priyanka Ji also was mentioning that the Samajwadi Party alliance will be. See, we should not depend on others' wings, and we should be trust on our wings. Then only we can success. Okay, don't think that others will come and give you something so that you can become the PM, and it's not that. Fundamental works has to done, and foundational change has to be done. Then only it will be. Actually, there is no way of shortcut to success. Okay, so that's the thing. And then nowadays, why I am trying to, because now, see, usually used to tell that if I am pushing away, will you hold me back like that? Just remember all your messages. See, this is what, even though I was showing my frustration, everything, all these messages, all the things, all the feelings, everything is in my mind, everything is there. I was holding, because these all fellows really blocking me and insulting me. I will say, you will never get. That's the reason I'm scolding you, because that's the reason. See, you are aspiring to become the Prime Minister of the thing, because you know from August onwards what is your stage, but how much you are messaging, how much you are waiting for me, everything you have done, right? So then on the other hand, what these fellows are doing to me, and you cannot even block that even. So then on such a person, how can rule the nation? That's the thing. That is what the thing I am telling. Not only you, this is the same thing with the Priyanka Ji and this all. Actually, this is the leaders only playing in between. This is the way these fellows have spoiled your earlier relations also. So this is the thing. And then you are going and depending on that such a. See, on the other hand, see, I was putting my 24/7 for doing these all things, and how many plans, how many places I went and met, and how many arrangements I have done, and how much my brain power is using for sending these mails and to convince all the worldwide authority, everything, and how much efforts I am doing, and without any eating food or anything, taking care of my health. On top of that, how much chemicals these fellows are putting. So still, when these kacharas are offering some prostitutes and these matana kind of setup, you went behind that, some nakapich offers. Just think that these all offers are for spoiling Sri Lanka. They have arranged that. You need to understand that. So that much they wanted to block me. So that's the thing, block the Shiva Shakti unit. That actually you do not have minimum commerce. You people, you also not even knowing what is the impact of Shiva Shakti. That's the thing, that is the problem fundamental. And what is it, because the fellows who are blocking, they are knowing the impact and what is actually Shiva Shakti means. So that's because I told now that all Sanskrit University process, everybody is under that. But one another thing is there, because so you have people need trust that you will be completely doing the service to the nation, because not the over Muslim but supporting and so many things. That is the thing. Also all the lobbies, that George Soros, that Pakistan, there was China issue, so many things are there that we need to justify. Even at the last time of campaign, I also got afraid, because that's what I got afraid of, that what will be the India security. That's the reason I also pulled your leg, because now I know that you are. See, this is the only if I am there, that's the thing. Otherwise, I will not, because I know, because that's the thing I was trying to block that greedy girl also. She such immature girls and all now. Therefore, their benefits and playing frauds and all, doing this kind of fellows. And this is the way your friends, these sticker on the staff friends lobby, and these all culture frauds, not even having any common sense eligibility. Actually, what is these fellows? They don't even have 10 kilometers away. They don't have eligibility standard. See, after knowing your stage, that only thing only that pulled me back, and so that's the reason. That's only because of that these fellows are spoiling my reputation and this kind of culture. Also, see, I have so much of international play. Actually, all the authorities were waiting at that time because of your emotional trap. That's the thing. That's what I'm showing this much of frustration. I spoiled my things and then you nicely utilized me, and then you, for some nakapicha offers, and you do not know what are the plans. Still now also, see what are the plans I am holding. See, I decided, see, I told her, right? See, in that letters I have written, there is through a systematic way has to approach. That's the only way to get it. Otherwise, whatever the lens or whatever the thing you fellows are doing, nothing is going to work out. People are just dumb fellows only. So for that plan's execution, now also I want you to also to come with me. That's the thing. That is the way. That's the reason I am trying again. And then again, these fellows are from this message or from their attitudes and you will be getting tired about it. So more than that girl, that disastrous poison, if that kachara is coming to the national level, and I know what will be happening to the nation, and these leaders or none of these fellows have any maturity or ability to understand these all things. Even the Professor Pushpag or these also anybody will travel done behind like that only all the issues has happened. Everybody went to be any minorly kind of kachara prostitutes. This is the thing. Also, so that's the thing. There are many things, many parameters I am considering. That's the reason I am getting into this much attention. And but none of these fellows have any maturity or ability or eligibility or understanding to understand the thing. Actually, these all leaders, what basis these fellows are sitting analyzing how much crores of money people have spent and sitting high level committee analyzing and so many exporters, EWC members. What is the use of these fellows and what you people are doing? Actually, see, to be frank, I March after coming from Bombay, and when these fellows are got the chemical center, I got fed up with people everywhere. These fellows are insulting me and blocking me, these all things. Then I wanted to start on another party. I moved like that, but at that time I trusted some people, but they didn't. That's the thing. So that's actually I want, because see, I wanted to make some concrete changes in it, and irrespective of whatever the thing, I will do that. That is the stubbornness. These fellows are telling it, I don't have any decision. Their inabilities they are putting on me. They don't even know who am I and what is my stubbornness or what is my potential. And this is the thing we should, when we will be talking to the out of the way these fellows. Oh, that's the thing. So that's the thing. So now also I wanted to actually, then I used to feel, but say your stage, I know that how much you are going to, you will get excited with some certain consideration. So this week also that Bangladesh, that PM, that consideration, this is the way these fellows are completely knowing about you people's level and standard. That's the thing. These fellows are, you are in the narrative of them, and they are putting you people as a puppet and playing around. That is the thing. And you will give Nakka which offers, you people will get overwhelmed, but until the election day nicely see, just to think, whatever the lens, whatever the things during the exit poll day, not even a single person, everybody was blindly believing, right? So then what happened? When I told that attitude, only you people got to realize, right? This is the thing. You will also every time you will realize, even when in April, March, when after coming from Bombay, when these fellows have frozen the bank accounts, at that time you understood that no news is coming, nobody's thing. So at that time you are still messaging that, okay, you are supposed to have, that's the thing. This is what everything you are. See, at that time, where were these your friends, gang, and your staff, supporters, these all lobbies, where were they? So this is the thing. Just to there I may see Professor Pushpag and these BJP fellows also knowing that, see, only because of me, you people can realize these things. So that's the reason they want to block that. That's the only thing. Because see, for them also, it's not, they were not completely against or anything, because they are also afraid of this. There are many alliances, many things. That's what I was also, I also do have the same concern, because I also understood that none of the leaders or nobody have that sincerity to do the public service or nothing. Everybody is their own benefits. So for that only, I am that's what I see. That's what I also see. We cannot believe on others and some alliances, they will come and help us or not, nothing. No, that's not it. We should do the foundational work, so that everything will be in our own way. So we will get the confidence. Through that, our foundational action plans, the people also will get that trust. And that's the thing. Also, so way he was telling, it's unnecessary, these fellows are blocking and projecting us. You are not some supernatural, nothing. You didn't do much. And see, that family things, that's the only thing. And so you know your stage and your message. Then why are you not telling and blocking that security is not to block? This is the thing. A man, if it is this much responsible, that is the, there are many concerns, okay, that you need to understand. Your staffs also, this way this Kaushal and they have some higher degree, they are just incapable fellows. That we can understand from their activity how you are getting spoiled, failed. That's the thing. These are you and Supriya change. These all everybody you will get overall mode who are all coming and pricing you boosting. Now these fellows are pretending that I have only you. Or there's something that is the thing. I am staying in Delhi. Actually, see, I did not come to Delhi to get married to you or for you. I came to meet Prime Minister, President, and Chief Minister to find a permanent solution. Actually, after coming to Delhi, I had realized this is my destiny because now I have so many things to do and so many things. I am holding that all, and I now also see way I approached all the authorities, everything. Wherever I am going, this Professor Pushpak, these teams are 24/7 behind me. They are blocking each and everything. Then they are telling I am not doing it. That is modern culture of frauds. Because now, from the past 1-2 weeks, I mailed, messaged him, and called him. I want to talk because I understood wherever he is out of his fear, he is doing, and then ego, jealousy, that and all. Everything should go under his control. The moment of something is against him, so he will start because this is the way with all. There is no point in blaming him. I understood even here Somla also when I am telling you how they are doing. Even the case, everybody, all the leaders, everybody, even the others, everybody is like that. This is the thing. People's immature behaviors, these all the things only spoiling the thing, and the good intentions and unnecessarily wasting others' time. And then some Katras are making comments. Also, even Priyanka, have some maturity and understand wherever what are the lenses or Samajwadi and all not for you people, that you need to understand that. And some also so don't think that some offers and you also you have UK offers. See how did you get it? What was your stage before that? I just think that. So have some common sense and all. And these same doubles who are supporting, they were really telling against you to me every time. And now, even in between, I went into that, what is his name? Who does your staff? He used to national leader. So when did you become the national leader? So now only they realize, actually, this is until the limited mindset. When some consideration, some publicity is getting, people are thinking that, like, this is sharing you fellows limited mindset. That is the reason you fellows are failing. And fellows, I used to feel ashamed. This is actually lack of a proper education and inability. That is the problem fundamentally. Anyway, you will be in sure. Actually, Ahankara, ego, that's the thing. That's what you fellows, all the leaders also last. That is the thing. Again, failing. Because I understood when the India alliance was leading at the time, the attitude changed and all. People thought that okay, everything, utilizing people for grabbing everything and utilizing and then throwing out like a vessel. This and all the time. That's the thing. What we do, that karma only we will get back. Okay, that's the thing. And then we'll end up with like that kind of category and show off. And you kind of fellas, this is what you people are not doing anything internally. You people are not having. You people are not doing anything. Just to outside shows and acting. And then actually yesterday also I was reading a report. Any fraud or anything can do. Still you will be getting respect. That is the only thing, only field of politics. And you people are not there. You should go to IITs and you should see how the people are there, and they will not be. Even the process some one dirty clothes will come and everything will be smelly. That is the way these fellows enter. But we will take 2 times bath and like outside shows chakras and all the in Congress many people like this, all the some women leaders also there. Everybody will come with the corruptions and what they are doing. Actually, foundation very many problems. I have understood many problems. I wanted to make a concrete change. I wanted to form a political party also, but that is not working. That's the reason I wanted you to become. See, anyway, you are desperately wanted. I understood that you don't have a proper support and proper guidance. That's the reason here. And all the advices, everybody that crack fellows is spoiling you. So you are innocent baby. How much you told everything. So that's the reason. I told okay, I can lead you in the. See, at least believe, man. And where you are. Oh, if you recognize slap. Welcome, you come through Ernakulam. Go to my home. My home, not sister's home. Edapalli. I need to bring 2 things from there. Actually, my mother is eagerly waiting for that. I will go let it. And these all doubles are screwing up her. And then you are yesterday night also these fellows arranged somebody that in Bangalore we went up. Sudramma, everybody came to welcome you. That means I understood that. I thought that you will go today morning only. Yesterday night itself you went. Stupid fellow. And actually, my reputation, my things, everything is getting these kacharas projecting that. Actually, see, this is the thing. This is actually I wanted to convey something urgently because see, why I am telling this, whatever the thing these fellows are hijacking, blocking. This is not their genetic disorder. this fellow has to be thrown out. It's you are not going to last forever because now you are here. It's enough more than how from 2017 onwards, 2017 or 2012 onwards, how much you are blocking that calling. How was my performance? How was your students? And you still you are blaming me culture of fraud. At the time also your ego, jealousy, these all are not this. That's what the family standards. That's what I am telling against you. Even though you will be talking nicely, and then what are the things you have done? The same way only. This actually Abhishek, this Minarli, these fellows also, these fellows also screw up. But I don't think so. This much level, and you again putting chemicals and culture. This all things has to be. Then you have to realize the things. Has some maturity. This my phone also while talking this these are noise and all coming in. So that is also a disturbance. These fellows correcting the ICs through the. This is not their live extension there, but that is not the Pakasas. Okay. I fellows not knowing. See how many people have been appointed to advise you. So what is the use? So I will be the advisor. Okay. Actually, my reputation is getting degraded, and fellows. For what purpose? Well, I was concentrating with him. These fellows are putting better attention. Okay, you end up with that kind of culture of fraud girls or something. That is again going to spoil the nation, devastate forever. Then I will kill you both. That is, don't live in India and go wherever. And it's a devastation. That's the thing. Yeah. This is what we should be at the right environment. Each kind of kachara that will with then some Malayali are there with some here in temple also one lady. This everywhere these fellows will appoint some that from the Kerala they will hide there and they will monitor to whom I am taking a canteen, and these are the things actually. So you didn't wear munda. What are the things you do? You are in Malappuram and Kalpata. Wayanad, I also never been to Wayanad. Like okay, so many things are there. Then you are getting into the Rajasthan desert only. You are such a cunning, greedy fellows. Feel ashamed that you fellows are this much. This is at your level. That's the reason. What your activities, that only the result you will get. Okay. Every time telling about Modi, so whatever. See, Modis, they will not do this much actually. Even I told now how many times I went to BJP headquarters everywhere. And what on the other hand, what you people have done frauds with their limited mindset and pulling the leg give a future. Then in between I spoke to some CWS members. They are also telling, you do for the re-election and everything. But you cannot. Everybody wants that I should do anything, and my brain everything will utilize. And you will catch this is at the one who born for multiple fathers. That kind of. Okay. There is no need for one person standing stubborn. That's enough. And so purposefully, this is what your personality already. That's what your Samla uncle also used to insult him. Everything. So I am showing this much, and you are not. See what I am telling. See, this is the one person standing stubborn. So now the Arati is called puja, morning puja. Okay. So there is some truth. One person is standing stubborn. That's the only thing. And irrespective of whatever the world you are arranging, nothing is going to work out. Okay. Have some common sense. And you don't think that you are smart and you became like a hero with some consideration. This consideration what they got within 1 year, these fellows will waste everything and you will get up in the old stadium. So this is just they want to block the Shiv Shakti. That's the only thing. I have some understanding. Actually, how much I feel ashamed that this kind of, this is what I am telling that you are dumb like that. People should have some maturity to understand, right? That's the thing. Okay, bye. But I am going for that. I want, but anyway, you come and see only. Okay.